What's up, guys? It's Grant with Genie Motorsports, and today we're doing an RV6 downpipe install on the SI. So let's get this started.
Sponsored by Corsport USA.
Alright, so we already got the car jacked up. You're going to want to take this metal plate off, and you're going to take your intake pipe off. So let me get those done. Alright, so there's 4 bolts you're going to want to take out the heat shield cover. The best way to get this out is, so it's in here like this, is you want to go underneath the hoses this way with your hand, so like this, fish it out from here. I just sprayed some liquid wrench or some PVB baster on these bolts, and we're going to let it sit for a little bit and then take them out. Alright, the next step you're going to want to do is take this 14mm bolt off on your oil pan. Let's get that off. There's a 14mm bolt here, 3 here, and 1 here. You gotta take out, and then you gotta get it off the flex pipe, which is this right here. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this, but I guess like this on my back. That's what I feel like right now. All right, give me a second. We'll get this off. All right, so Evan and I kind of just went for it. Got kind of cold, so we were just trying to finish up quick. But there's the old one. Old one's out. RV6 is in. Let's see. There's 4 bolts. The one that's a freaking pain is one that's under here. You have to get to. Kind of hard to see because I already put this back on. But we got all those on. You can go into the car and kind of see how to do it. Come under.
Hopefully I don't get crushed.
Alright, and when you're moving, you're going to want to move the flex pipe to the driver's side, and you're going to want to be, the only way to get your downpipe is going to be to the left. So that's how you're going to get that.
Passenger side.
But, I got to tighten these all up still. I ended up not taking the studs out of the old one. I ended up going to getting 3 M10 bolts to put in, to put this flex pipe up. So we're gonna put the cover back on, tighten all these things up, and start it up. Good? Alright, going for a start up. Thanks so much for watching this install. Sorry it kind of was choppy. If you have any questions, any concerns, any comments that you need help with doing the downpipe install, just give me, just shoot me a DM on Instagram. It's @Turby614. I'll put it right here, and I'll be able to help you as best as I can. So, I am Grant from Genie Motorsports, and thanks for watching this install. Come for the install, stay for the vlogs. Bye, guys.